How to log out of YouTube account on mobile. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can log out of YouTube account on mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to log out of YouTube account on mobile, basically depends on Android or iPhone, because iPhone allows you to do this without any hassle. If you come to your YouTube profile picture here, then you go to switch account tab. On iPhone you would find an option called use YouTube signed out, but on Android you can't find it. So on Android what you have to do is you have to remove the account from your device itself. So go to switch account here and then just go to manage account. It will take you to this page. Here you will see the Google or the YouTube accounts that are added. So you can select that certain one and you can tap on the remove account option in order to log out of YouTube account on mobile. This way you can log out of YouTube account on mobile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.